Alright, here it is. A quick view of who we are, what we do, what we could do for you. Here's some of our material that we directly import or we buy from wholesalers all over the US and all over the country. So here's a nice slab of Calcutta gold. As you can see it back here, that's where we do all the fabrication. That's where we have all the slabs. Second video, I'll show it to you guys how it looks. Take a little tour in the showroom. You get some ideas how it looks. All right. You guys, welcome. So we've been here since 2008, and that's what we do. This is some of our display. That's why we go to the quarry. This one have to be. I was in Brazil. That displays or samples that you can take at home and you can see how it looks. And here in Venezia, we try to bring the best. We also have a bunch of different parts. That's a trend now. That's what we're selling a lot. People be tending to like that a lot. Look a lot like a marble. We'll go over that later. Just want a little tour so you guys know who you are. You know, we're located in Richfield, Connecticut. Countertop, whatever you guys needed. We got samples, we have full slabs in here, so anytime we're here, guys. Don't hesitate. We have great reviews. You know, we're a family business.